Welcome back to this concept-based YouTube channel. To all my dear viewers, today I will solve exercise 4.4. Question number 1. Give the geometric representations of y equal to 3 as an equations. First, it is in a one variable, and in Roman number 2, it is in two variable. Now, to solve this, first we need to know what is in one variable and what is in two variable. In a one variable means only one alphabet should be there. Like if you put x, only x should be there, or if you are gonna put y, then only y should be there, right? If only one variable is there, then we call it as in a one variable. And in case of this two variable means two alphabets like x and y or a and b or any others. Two things will be there, so this kind of things will be called as two variable, right? At first we have to represent this y equal to 3 in a one variable. In Roman number 2 we have to put it y equal to 3, or we have to represent this y equal to 3 in two variable, right? So these are the two things which we need to get it from this. At first, let me write here. What is that? Y is equal to 3. Actually, this is the given things. So let me write it first of all. Y equal to 3. And after that, what is the questions? Actually, the questions is in a one variable. As we just discussed about one variable means only one alphabet should be there, right? Here we have y, only y should be there. That is this one, right? No need to extend it further, just and up to this, and it is time to draw the lines and represent this y equal to 3 on that number line. All right, now let me represent this. In order to represent this one, let me use this one as a scale. As it is y is equal to 3, let us take y-axis. Just take it one unit each of this, means this one is 1 and this one. Okay, then you just mark it, this one as 0 and this one is in upside, it should be 1, 2, 3, and in downside it should be -1, -2, -3, right? And this is y-axis. Now our question is, it is y is equal to 3, means let us find it y equal to 3. Y equal to 3 means plus 3 or positive of 3. Means in case if you are about to find y is equal to 3 which is positive in a y-axis, then you need to move in it up directions 1, 2, 3. This is the point where y is equal to 3 lies in this number line. All right, so this is the first things. Then let us move to the next, which is in two variable. In case of two variable, we need to extend it, the given things. Let me write here. Solution. What it is given to us, it is y is equal to 3. As we can see from here, it is only one variable, but the question is it is in two variable. We have to represent it in two variable, means actually the question is in two variable, but here we have only one variable, means we have to extend it or made it in two variable. In order to do that, first let me write here y equal to 3, and if you add any other numbers other than 0, then things will be changed. But if you add 0 times of x, then nothing will be changed, and the same number which you got in this after solving this one, then also we'll get this one, right? That's it. Just because after that we took this 0 times of x, which will give you the same number or the same equations that we got in the first case. All right. Now this is the equations that we got after extending into variable. Now let us put the values of x is equal to, at first let us put the values of x is equal to 1, and what will be the values for this y? Let us check. 0 times of 1 plus, what is that? It is y equal to 3. 0 times of 1 will give you 0, y equal to 3, right? Then let us move to the next. Whenever x is equal to 3, then it will be 0 times of 2 plus y equal to 3, means y is equal to 3. Even if you take two large number, then also the thing which you need to remember here, it will be multiplied with 0, and the number which is multiplied with 0 will also be in 0, right? That's the reason. Here, let us put again x is equal to 3, and whenever you put x is equal to 3, then corresponding y value should be how much? Even in this case, as we just explained just before this, it will be 3 again. Since the number that you took, it will be multiplied with 0. If you multiply any number with 0, then it will get 0 again. And 0 doesn't make any sense in that. And whatever values that it has in the first case, that will be the values in that as well. Alright? Now, whatever the points that we got from this, let us put it in this box so that for us it will be easier whenever we plot this in the graph. X, y. First, what is the values of x that we have? At first, we assume x values as 1, and what is the values that we got in this? It is 3. And next, when x is equal to 3, true, what is the values of y? It is 3. And whenever the values of x is equal to 3, and what is the values of y that we got? It is 3. Alright? Now, it is a time to draw the graph and put this point. As the question says, mentioned in this, it is 2 variable. In order to do that, we have to draw 2 lines. One will be x-axis and one will be y-axis. Let me take this one as y-axis and this one as x-axis. This is y-axis and this is x-axis, and here it is origin. Now let me just mark it as -1 unit, and this is -2, and this is -3. And even in upside, let me mark it 1, 2, 3. But at the times of your exam, you just use a proper scale so as to take each unit accurately. Alright? Don't just do it in that. You just use a proper scale so as to measure this unit during the times of your exam. Even in this side, it will be -1, -2, -3, likewise. And even in that side, it will be the same thing. It will be 2, and here it will be 3, right? Now, we got all these points. It is a time to represent this in the number, this. And what is the first thing that we have? Here it is 1. X values is 1. This one, right? And whenever x values is 1, what is the values of y? It is 3. Means this one. And after that, whenever the values of x is equal to 2, this one. And values of y should be 3 again. And whenever the values of x is 3, and what is the values of y? It is 3 again. But let me extend it furthermore to this. Whenever you put the values of x is equal to -1, then what will be the values of y? Even in that, values of y should be 3 again. Whenever you put the values of x is equal to -3, then also values of y will be 3 again, right? Means even in these directions, whenever the values of x is -1, then values of y should be here, and even in that, it should be here, right? Just because of that, all the points are in one line. So after we join this point, then we got a straight line, which is just parallel to this x-axis, right? And after that, we'll represent this as y is equal to 3. Now let me join all this point. If you join to all this point, then you will get this line, which is just parallel to this. Now this is the point where y is equal to 3. This is the way of representing this y equal to 3 in two variables. Is it clear to all of you guys? If it is clear to all of you, then that's all for today. I wish you all the best, and hopefully we'll see you in the next videos. Thank you.